Okay, so I don't have a bike stand, so what I do for maintenance, and I just pull this crank off and cleaning, is I just flip my bike upside down. Um, I have some engine degreaser. And I'm just gonna brush that in. And a brush. So, a basic brush. This method works pretty good. Um, a brush and then a wipe down. I use my bike every day, so it is my only source of transportation, and it works quite well. One thing, if you use a bike for transportation, maintenance is a big deal. So if you want them to shift right, and you definitely want them to shift nice and smooth and nice and evenly, you're going to find yourself cleaning them, even though I have a mud flap on here. Homemade mud flap and one in the front. You know, my chain is still, I'm going to have to clean this. It's pretty dirty. It's a lot better than it would be if it didn't have a mud flap, but it's still, they just ride so much better when they're clean and oiled and everything is smooth.